If you're into woodworking, this is not just another tool list. These are smart, pro-level upgrades designed to make every cut cleaner, faster, and safer. Whether you're a weekend builder or a serious maker, these tools change how you work. Stick around because the last one is a shop essential. This is your home for smart Amazon finds, so hit subscribe and let's get into it. Cabinet Hardware Jig. Drilling cabinet handles by eye usually ends with crooked holes. This adjustable cabinet jig fixes that by giving you perfect alignment every time. Set your spacing once, lock it in, and drill confidently without measuring each drawer. The punch locator keeps bits centered so nothing slips. From kitchens to furniture builds, you save time, avoid mistakes, and get clean professional installs without stressing over accuracy. Razor blade scraper. Scraping labels or paint often damages the surface underneath. This razor scraper solves that with both metal and plastic blades for tough or delicate jobs. Burnt grease, old stickers, window paint, even stove mess comes off fast and clean. The grip feels solid and safe, and with 80 extra blades included, you're set for months. Once you use this, scraping stops being frustrating. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. Marking wood with regular pencils is sloppy and inaccurate. This Carpenter pencil kit upgrades your layout work with mechanical pencils, refills, a center punch, and a carbide scribe. You get sharp, consistent lines on rough or smooth surfaces without constantly sharpening. Everything stores in a tough case, so nothing gets lost. Better marks mean better cuts, and better cuts mean better builds. Cut-resistant gloves. One slip on sharp metal or glass can end your day fast. These ProGuard gloves offer ANSI-A9 protection, the highest cut resistance available. Reinforced thumbs, insane grip, and breathable fabric keep your hands safe without killing movement. They're even touchscreen friendly for shop work. If your hands matter to you, this is the kind of protection pros trust every single day. Soccer foldable level. Straight levels fail the moment angles get awkward. This foldable soccer level bends, locks, and measures at 45, 90, and even 180 degrees. Perfect for stairs, pipes, frames, and corners where normal tools struggle. The aluminum body feels tough, the vials are crystal clear, and it folds small for your bag. One tool handles every angle without extra gear. Electric hand planer. Uneven boards and sticking doors slow projects down. This electric hand planer fixes surfaces fast with up to 34,000 cuts per minute. Dial in micro depth adjustments for clean, controlled passes. It clears dust efficiently and flips blades easily when needed. From trimming doors to leveling lumber, you save time, effort, and frustration while getting smooth, professional results every pass. Japanese hand saw. Push saws waste energy and tear wood. This Japanese pull saw cuts on the pull stroke for more control and cleaner edges. Dual-sided SK5 steel teeth handle soft wood on one side and hardwood on the other. The blade is thin, flexible, and razor sharp. One cut feels smoother and faster, and suddenly your old saws feel outdated in comparison. Corner clamp set. Building frames without proper clamping leads to crooked joints. These 90-degree corner clamps lock pieces perfectly square for glue-ups, drilling, or welding. Adjustable swing jaws grip tight while protecting your material. Set it once and both hands stay free to work. From cabinets to picture frames, your builds come out straighter, faster, and cleaner without fighting alignment anymore. Caliper measuring tool. Measuring and marking every cut wastes time and causes errors. The M1 caliber clamps to your miter saw and shows exact cut length on a digital screen. Slide your board, read the number, and cut instantly. No pencils, no guessing. It works on flat and round stock. Faster cuts, safer workflow, and insane accuracy for serious woodworkers. Woodworking Apron. Digging for tools kills momentum. This waxed canvas apron keeps everything right on your body with 9 deep pockets and a magnetic patch for screws. Crossback straps prevent neck strain during long sessions. It's tough, comfortable, and built for real shop work. Instead of walking back and forth, you stay focused, faster, and more efficient on every project. Kynup Digital Caliper. Tape measures aren't made for precision. This digital caliper gives exact inside, outside, and depth measurements with a large LCD screen. Switch between inch, metric, and fractions instantly. The stainless body is splash-proof and shop-ready. From joinery to hardware fitting, your measurements stay consistent, accurate, and professional without second-guessing your layout ever again. Wood carving tool. Cheap carving bits burn wood and ruin details. This HSS engraving bit set cuts clean with sharp tricuspid tips that eject chips fast. They fit any rotary tool and stay stable under pressure. From fine lettering to shaping edges, you carve smoother with less chatter. DIY projects start looking professional once your bits stop fighting your material. MINI PushPro. Plastic push sticks snap when you need them most. The PushPro Mini uses dense EVA that grips stock, absorbs vibration, and glides safely past blades. If contact happens, EVA slices clean without dangerous shards. You keep full control while protecting your hands. It's not just a push stick, it's a serious safety upgrade for table saw work. Multi-surface sanding block. Sanding curves usually ruins flat edges. This multi-surface block handles flat, concave, convex, and tight spaces with one tool. Snap in quarter sheets and change grits fast. Shape spindles, corners, and trim without switching gear. Your sanding becomes cleaner, faster, and more precise while keeping control on every surface you touch. Bench dog clamp. Slipping workpieces ruin cuts and waste material. This bench dog clamp drops into standard 3/4-inch holes and locks with one hand. Soft pads protect your wood while gripping like a vise. No assembly, no marks, no movement. Whether routing, sanding, or drilling, your bench turns into a stable precision workstation instantly.